Hello, my name is Yorgoshaft. I am proud to be American. Do you like my sexy poses? They are so hot and sexy. Yes, wait till my mane comes down. Yes, it's sexy, is it not? Look at me getting sexier and sexier. Every pose is getting better and better. And oh my god, how did that get in there? Oh, did you steal my juice? Did you? Did you? Nope, got it right here. I don't believe you. Well, it's still here anyway. Do you want to hear a story? Yorgoshaft tells good stories. First I was like, oh, and then I was like, oh, Can we hear it again? Why, yes, you can hear my story again. It's good. First I was all, oh, then I was all, Can we hear it again? What? You want to hear it again? Did you not hear first time? First I was like, oh, no, but I am here to teach you how to internet. Yes, anybody can internet. Even pretty girl like you. Pretty girl with pretty smelling hair. Yes, the pretty smelling hair. I like the pretty smelling hair.